by the winds, especially when we get a hurricane this size. So Cat 4 winds. That's an EF3 tornado.
Yeah.
Right?
It's good perspective.
Right? So we've seen the kind of damage that can do last year when it came through Indian Lake.
Right.
We saw how devastating the damage can be, and that's in minutes.
Is this any potential for folks out in Florida, Miami, the Keys?
Not this one, but
Okay,
there are two more storms behind it. So let me show you those. Here's where we are with Gabrielle at the moment. This is a Category 4 storm, 140 mile per hour winds gusting to 160. And this storm is strong enough, it's likely to still be a Category 1 storm as it plows through the Azores during the weekend. Then it's on its way into the Iberian Peninsula, and that could cause a potential for some flooding across a lot of Spain and Portugal. Now, the two storms that are behind it. This one, of course, these don't have names yet. This one has a 90% chance of becoming a named storm in the next few days. This one that's just about to slide past Puerto Rico has about a 60% chance of getting a name in the next few days. Now, both of those are on a path that would bring them much closer to the east coast of the U.S. and may have a potential landfall there. It's too early to know for sure. But watching these two very closely because they may have an effect on the mainland. In the meantime, Umberto and Imelda would be the next two names in line. So whichever one forms first is Umberto, the other one will be Imelda. We are quiet in Ohio right now. We had a few sprinkles in southeastern Ohio, but heavier rain showing up, just getting into parts of Williams County and up toward Defiance. Some of that is going to stay there while we wait for more of it to come up from the west and southwest for us. We're dry in Columbus at the moment. There's a giant wasp up there in the osprey nest. We have a mix of sun and clouds right now. There's a little bit of cloud cover that you can see creating a shadow not far from the post office there. 80 degrees at the airport. Feels like 81. Wind out of the west at 8 miles per hour. Dew points are in the 60s, so it's not big time humid, but it's a little bit out there. DR Horton America's weather current conditions. Zanesville and Newark at 78. London and Washington Courthouse at 79, Chillicothe and Waverly at 81. Here's your night tonight. We're likely to become mostly cloudy. Usually when we get a bunch of fog, it's often because we have clear sky and lots of humidity. In this case, we may even get some fog while we're cloudy, which is a little unusual, but the conditions are there for that. It'll be mainly in low-lying areas where it gets just cool enough for that to start to form, and then some rain is on the way, sunrise and into your morning commute. So through the evening, we're still dry, 74 degrees by 8 o'clock. Your overnight low dips to 64 with that potential for some patchy fog. Then take your rain gear on the way out the door in the morning. There's some low pressure that's going to move into the state. That will give us a chance for on and off showers during the day. Southern Ohio does have a chance for some storms with some gusty winds. And then on Thursday, we're going to play that game again, mainly in southern Ohio, with a chance for some rain across a lot of your Thursday. 64 degrees on the way out the door in the morning. Plan for some showers. Could get a little rumble of thunder during the afternoon, but temperatures are going to be in the lower 70s during the afternoon. So these showers are going to add to that rainfall total that we picked up yesterday and should help with our drought situation. 73 degrees for the day tomorrow. Chance at some thunder. Otherwise, just some on and off showers and mostly cloudy. Then on Thursday, 76. Chance of some showers and storms again, and then we're going to finish up with those by early Friday morning. Friday afternoon, 76 with some sunshine. Right now, your weekend looks really spectacular.